A continuation of digital literacy outreach to underserved communities, students in the government-owned schools, especially in rural areas and less cities. We are here today at Obada Community High School in Ogoluwa local government, and to continue with the training in earnest. We have been able to visit schools in Orere local government, in Surulere local government, and right now we are in Ogoluwa local government, in Obomozo zone of Oyo State. And like as you can see, the setup is ready, and the class is about to commence. So, as against the usual 75 students, what we have this morning is 100 students, because it's a combination of 3 schools coming together. Here we have, what's the name of your school again? Obada Community High School. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Here we have Obandi Community High School in Obada too, in Odoba area, Abi, Ogoluwa local government. And here we have Rehoboth Comprehensive College in Obada here too. So that's what we have, and they are here for a wonderful time, because I believe today they will learn so much about the basic computer principles, how to make use of computers, to type, to save, to retrieve, and then you're going to learn the A to Z of CBT, so that if you have to write any exam in CBT, either JAMB or any exam in CBT, it will be a walkover for you. Now, that is the essence of coming here today. And of course, there are other areas we're going to learn about digital creativity and some other things you can do, introduction to AI, some other things that your colleagues do with computers in the city. Those are parts of the things we're going to learn. So that's why we're at today, and the service is coming to you free. You don't have to think about what to pay. Your school doesn't have to think about what to pay. What we need from you is what we have given. We need chairs and tables and a hall. So please flow with every aspect of the learning. Before you leave here today, everybody will do CBT. You're going to write an exam in CBT. And the best 3 scorers will receive special gifts from us before we leave today. So get set and get ready. You have not done CBT. I've not done CBT exam before. Raise your hand. Raise now. TC exam CBT above your head. All right. Are you ready for it today? All right. So you're going to do it, and you're going to, it will be part of you henceforth. So thank you so much, teachers. We appreciate your coming. Thank you so much. Please, let's applaud our teachers who are here with us. Let's applaud our tutors who are here with us. Let's applaud our tutors. God bless you. My name is Niyi Adebayo. I'm the leader of the RNA team. My team members are here. Thank you so very much for being here again. God bless all of us. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.